as well to respond to this. Aris Pachania, you heard what Mr. Dharnidharan has spoken.
Absolutely.
And, you know, if you just rewind to what really happened, if you look at 2009, if you look at 2010, there were massive showdowns in the parliament. The opposition was up in arms. If you look, if I can remember correctly, it was Arun Jaitley who was the opposition leader at that time. The parliament had to be stopped. It had to be adjourned several times as BJP raised this issue to the hilt. An entire detailed procedure was followed in the court, and yet you had O.P. Saini say this seems only like rumors and gossips. Nothing has been proved. You heard what Mr. Dharnidharan has said, the timing being a problem. Why after all this while? How do you respond to this?
Yes, Sneha, thank you very much. I'll refer to the Prime Minister's statement before the G20 summit. India has a brand and a bandwagon of zero tolerance towards corruption. This is Bharatiya Janata Party's hallmark, and Bharatiya Janata Party believes in practicing it in each and every moment. So far as this scandalous issue is concerned, you have referred to the judgment, to the observation of Justice Saini, but please refer to the observation of the Delhi High Court also. It says there is a space for deeper examination and for re-examination of evidence. This is the same 2G scam regarding which Comptroller and Auditor General had reflected a report and ultimately estimating the loss to the public exchequer as 1.76 trillion. It is in the same way that the Supreme Court had ultimately cancelled all the 2G spectrum allocations also, while specifically observing that people who did not deserve to be qualified, who did not have any experience, who virtually without any auctions, they were given these 2G spectrum allotments. Though the decision of the special CBI judge, he might be of the level of a district judge.
Okay.
That might be depend upon the criminal preponderance
30 seconds more,
and upon the sifting of the evidence also, upon the application of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act also.
Right.
If you kindly refer to the text of the appeal made by the Enforcement Directorate, they said that PMLA has wrongly been interpreted by the learned judge, Mr. Saini. So the basic issue remains.
Right.
This is not
Mr. Aris Pachania, let me just get